COVID-19 brought many changes to how we live, think, and feel.
Something as normal as going to a grocery store became a challenge. We all can empathize with feelings of helplessness, of worry, of fear.
Feelings health experts say can take a toll on our mental health.
We all, to a certain extent, experience symptoms of mental illness, and now we can normalize seeking help for those feelings.
To help Southwest Florida better manage the behavioral health surge caused by the pandemic, health experts from 24 local organizations work together to create a program called Healthy Minds.
Healthy Minds offers resources, a Healthy Minds questionnaire, which kind of gauges where you are related to depression, anxiety, and substance use. We also offer a resiliency toolkit.
The program also offers free virtual and in-person presentations to teach the community how to address and cope with mental health, while helping people get the services and support they need.
If you need resources or help, we're there to guide you. We're there to connect with you. We don't want you to feel alone. We want you to feel that there are a lot of people going through the same feelings that you're feeling.
Helping people address the fear, anxiety, and isolation caused by COVID-19. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.